chicken quesadilla and edamame. Their quesadilla order too, so 2 chicken. On. Not too much. And onions. 5 minutes. And the nachos. Final of the nacho cheese. So no whining, we're out. So I gotta use the shredded cheese today. We're going shopping tomorrow, so we'll have the nacho cheese back in. Little onions. Barbecue pork nachos without the edamame. I'll microwave this. Salt. Those are almost finished. I don't know. There's always, geez, too much ranch now, yeah? I'm just playing. I did accidentally put too much. Okay. The CD is off. Thank you, sir, for grabbing that. Woo! Oh no! Am I good? Am I good? Cheese and everything on there. Like that. Edamame. Land that. Oh. 5 and 14.